The two biggest mistakes a man makes in a divorce and custody battle when starting out are going to be not filing first and moving out before there is an order in place. I have been dealing with men for 18 years that deal with tragedies around divorce and custody, and they always start in the beginning. That's not to say that these things will guarantee that you have a tragedy, but I will tell you this: if you have a tragedy in your divorce and custody case, more than likely it started with laziness in the beginning. Filing first is important because what it means is that you are setting the tone for everything. Everything goes at your pace, and that may not seem like much, but let me tell you this. If she files first and you have your back against the wall, then your entire case is going to start with you defending yourself. The second, which is moving out before there's any order in place, you may not think this is a big deal. She may not think this is a big deal, but when she actually hires a lawyer and understands the law, these are actually actions that can be used against you in court. Gentlemen, if you're going through this, it's very important that you get the right information. You have somebody guiding you through. This is a mental game, this is an emotional game, but it's also a legal game. If you want help in any of this, go to the link in my bio and get started with winning in divorce and custody.